大家好啊！我哋係 Aussie。今集我同朋友會帶大家去 Yawawali 品酒之旅，仲會去一間非常適合買手信嘅 Chocolate Factory。開始之前記得撳個鐘仔 subscribe 同 share 我哋個 channel 啊！Yawawali 可以話係遍地都係酒莊。我哋揸車去 Shutong 嘅途中，幾乎每隔一段路就會見到一間酒莊。出發之前我都做過少少 research。雖然大部分酒莊都有提供訂位服務，但係如果人少嘅話，基本上 walk in 都可以參加。不過如果你有心水酒莊一定要去嘅話，建議都係去官網睇清楚，確認係咪真係可以 walk in。到咗 Shutong，一入門口就見到個 cashier， 只要同職員講話係嚟參加 wine tasting， 俾咗錢之後就可以去隔離間房仔度等啦。Shutong 嘅 wine tasting 有分唔同價位，我同朋友唔係對酒有研究嘅人，而且再高級啲嘅 tasting 都係要預約嘅，所以今次就試咗最平嘅 guided tasting， 每位澳幣22蚊，可以試5款酒。等咗冇耐 wine tasting 就開始啦，等我俾大家聽下職員點介紹啦。
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Domaine Shandong, Australia. My name is Jacob. I'll be your resident wine snob for the next half an hour or so. So, have a smell, have a taste. Because this is all Chardonnay.
第一款嘅 Blanc de Blanc 對我嚟講味道就有啲太酸啦。
Vintage brew. This is it. This is the money maker.
Vintage brew 相對嚟講甜啲，易入口好多。
Now the lees do a couple of things. One, like I mentioned, they give you that kind of biscuity, bready taste. But they also take a lot of the sweetness out of the wine as well.
呢款 Rosé 都係偏甜，但係我就覺得冇 Vintage brew 咁好飲啦。
The ruby, this one here, yummy. This actually came about from our still wine days. We used to make a Mounier wine.
Ruby 係我今次行程兩間酒莊試過嘅酒入邊最好飲嗰款。
Traditionally, you're using 100% Shiraz, so they're big, they're bold, spicy, jammy. Here in the Yarra Valley, we love our more delicate styles because we're a bit cooler. So instead of 100% Shiraz, about 60 of this is Pinot Noir.
Shiraz 隻色好靚，雖然同 Ruby 一樣都係 sparkling red wine， 不過我就覺得 Ruby 更加好飲。成個 wine tasting 歷時半個鐘左右，職員全程都 keep 住介紹每一款酒，仲會講啲小故事，真係完全冇冷場啊！如果大家想去 Yawawali 品酒嘅話，我非常建議大家去 Shutong。試完酒之後，仲可以去小店買 Shutong 嘅產品。我兩位朋友就忍唔住各買咗支 Ruby 啦。除咗酒之外，仲有其他 souvenir 可以買，大家都記得去睇下。行完 souvenir shop 出嚟，見到個景超靚啊！司機朋友之前陪狗狗喺出邊等嘅時候揾到個靚景，仲帶咗我哋去打卡添，真係非常適合影相啊！大家記得唔好急住走，喺酒莊度行下影下相啊！因為我飲完第一間酒莊已經有啲醉啦，所以我哋就先去 Chocolate Factory 買手信，順便等我醒一醒。Chocolate Factory 主打朱古力，不過唔係每款都好食。澳洲嘅甜品同糖果對香港人嚟講普遍都偏甜，但有啲配 nuts 嘅朱古力味道都唔錯嘅。而且我個人覺得呢度好多產品都非常適合送禮。我朋友就喺呢度買咗好多朱古力當手信帶返香港。除咗買嘢，呢度仲有個雪糕 counter， 我同朋友 share 咗一個開心果味雪糕。雖然唔係我喺墨爾本食過最好味嗰間， 但係味道都相當唔錯。食完雪糕，我哋同朋友隻狗狗喺餐廳室外 hea 咗陣先離開。最後一站就係 Yering Station 啦。入到門口就有職員主動 approach， 我哋講明係嚟參加 wine tasting， 佢就會示意我哋可以直接入去試酒房。呢度間房比雪當大，但裝修就冇咁靚，不過氣氛都好有酒莊特色。我哋咁啱遇到個講廣東話嘅職員，佢俾咗張 price list 我哋，仲推介我哋揀 Estate 系列，唔使等人齊就可以開始試酒啦。又俾大家聽下職員嘅專業介紹啦。
一開始會係3款sparkling 啦，只不過個基酒都係嚟自 Chardonnay 同埋 Pinot 嘅，咁就只不過個比例上面有少少唔一樣啦，所以造就唔一樣嘅風格，睇你自己中意飲邊種嘅啫。咁呢個會係64% 嘅 Chardonnay， 咁呢款就係2019年嘅 QV， 咁跟住之後係2020年嘅 Brut Rosé， 呢個會係53% 嘅 Pinot Noir。咁最後呢款會係 non-vintage cream de Cuvée， 呢個會做 Fosage 嘅時候係用 Shiraz 嘅。第一款嘅話會係Chardonnay， 咁冷氣學下邊嘅我哋嘅 Chardonnay 比較注重佢嘅礦物質嘅感覺啦，同時都會有少少青色水果嘅，好似青檸啊、青蘋果啊嗰啲。
This does see 10 months of red sugar, only 18% new oak, very fruit forward, strawberries, cherries, raspberries. You might get a lovely hint of a chalky spice in it as well. Enjoy.
Mash 咧飲起嚟同啱先嘅 Pinot 係好類似嘅，只不過佢嘅 tannin 咧會稍微再高少少咁樣咯。乳香咧就係佔3%，去軟化 Shiraz 當中比較衝擊性嘅味道，令佢更加容易飲。
總結嚟講，呢度嘅職員會喺試每一款酒之前做個簡單嘅講解，但係唔會全程陪住你，之後就俾你慢慢試。相比雪當，呢度雖然少咗啲趣味，但感覺就更加自由啦。呢度都有 souvenir shop， 不過啲酒我哋就冇咩興趣，所以行咗陣就走啦。行完之後，梗係要周圍影相啦。我哋又影咗好耐先走啊。Yarra Valley 嘅酒莊係咪間間都咁靚呢？今次嘅品酒之旅就到此結束啦。我同朋友 plan 呢個行程嘅時候已經好期待啦。今次嘅體驗亦都冇令我哋失望。有機會我哋一定會再去其他酒莊試下。今集就到呢度啦。鍾意我哋條片嘅朋友記得 comment、like、share 同 subscribe 我哋個 channel 啊！多謝大家收睇，我哋下集再見啦，拜拜。